Now the first thing we need to look for in this lesson is this example. So it says, what will the following program display if the user enters 17? Now it says elif age is equal to 17. So we go to that. Because the age is 17, it will display you can vote in 1 year. And then if they write 19, obviously that's greater than or equal to 18, so you're old enough to vote. And if it's 14, you're still too young. Now, these are called Boolean operators. Now, with Boolean operators, we have 3 of them. We've got and, or, and not. So the order for these is normally brackets, not, and then or. So here is an example. Now, the and operator will output true if both sides are true. Otherwise, it will be false. So as long as the right side and the left side is true, then it will become true. Otherwise, it's going to be false. So it needs 2 sides true. So 5 is greater than 2 and 8 is less than 12. Now both of these statements are true, so it will output true. 11 is greater than 5, that's true, and 7 is equal to 3, that's false. So the left side is true and the right side is false. So it would output false because the AND operator needs 2 sides to be true for it to become true. Here we have the OR operator. Now the OR operator will output true if either or both sides are true. So as long as one of the sides or both are true, then it will become true. So in this case, 10 is equal to 10 or 7 is less than 12. So both of these sides are true, so it becomes true. 11 is greater than 5, so this is true, or 5 is equal to 3. 5 is equal to 3 is false. Now the left side is true, so it will become true. 10 is equal to 5, that's false, or 11 is greater than 20. Both of these sides are false, so it will become false overall. The not operator will reverse the statement. Now, if the input is true, it will become false. If the input is false, it becomes true. It just reverses it. So it says not, and then 20 is equal to 20. Now 20 is equal to 20, so that's true. So inside the brackets, we have true. Then it says not true. Not true will evaluate to false. Not 10 is less than 5. So 10 is not less than 5, so that would give you false. But then not false will reverse that to true. So not false will give you true. Then we have 25 is greater than 20, so that's true. Then we have not on the outside, so not true would give you false. Now here we have another example. It says 11 is greater than 5 and 7 is equal to 3. So left side is true, right side is false, so overall it would be false. 13 is equal to 2, so that's false, but we have the not outside, so it would reverse that to true. 11 is less than or equal to 2, so that was false, or 8 is not equal to 5, so that's true. So the right side is true. Because the right side is true, it will become true overall. Then we have brackets first in this case. 11 is greater than 2, that's true, and 5 is less than 1, that's false. So because one of the sides is false, the overall statement becomes false. And then we have not false, so not on the outside, and then false in the brackets, so that would give you true. Now here we have an example. It says, what will the program output if the user enters 10? Now, if n is 10, it says if n is equal to 2, so 10 is not equal to 2, or 10 is equal to 3, so that's also false. So it would go to the else statement, so it will output incorrect. What will this program display if n is 2? So if n is 2, so if 2 is equal to 2, so this side is, the left side is true. Because the left side is true, with the OR operator only needs one side to be true, it will automatically be correct. So it will display true, it will display correct. Okay, here we have another example. We have name equals input, what is your name? So this asks the user for a name. And then it says if the name is equal to James, or the name is equal to Don. So with the OR operator, only needs one side true. So as long as one of the sides is true, then it will become true and it will display I know you. Otherwise it will display who are you. So it says what will this program display if the user enters James? Now if the user enters James, so if James is equal to James, that would be true, and because this side, left side is true, it will display I know you. What will this program display if the user enters Bradley? Now Bradley is not equal to James and Bradley is also not equal to Don, so we'll skip to the else statement and it will print who are you.